The big brand sale is on at OK Furniture and it's too good to miss. Enjoy massive savings on brands you know and love. And when you spend 2,999 or more, you'll stand a chance to win one of 20 shopping sprees worth 50,000 rands. Browse our catalog and grab your favorites before the 4th of May 2025. While stocks last, T's and C's apply.
It is TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. It's a Kukune United 1. Orlando Pirates. Junior, why you say? Why you say?
Ashe ningazipamukeli
Mfethu, why you say?
no man I just kusuhleka phese
Yeah. No. I was just joking. Mfowami. Besibukele le Orlando Pirates game.
Yeah.
We saw what happened at Loftus, but thina besibukele Orlando Stadium, and we saw what happened. Game idlale 95 minutes. A team had one shot on target, and then they won the game. A team that had less than 30% of ball position won the game namhlanje. That tells you ukuthi la ndaba indala hlango ithethe ukuthi if you don't take your chances, this is what you will get. Junior, madokubulisa mfethu.
yeah esheni mfethu without waste isikhathi my brother kunjani
I'm
ngishami
good, I'm
ngibulise
good.
Justo ngibulise team yonke ngada mfethu unkululeko ngibulise ngibulise uThongo ngibulise uLindo Phephu ngibulise uBobusini ngibulise yeah ngibulise wonke umuntu mfethu bafethu kunjani keep on supporting it iski TV fighting no one try to fix South African football I'm on right Shane I think the team we had so many ball possession today
And chances to
Dliwe
score.
yona today yeah but going to the game
Yeah.
asibuyele nje egamini yonke Shane I think today there's many players that Orlando Pirates never give it I think the best they are not at their best ngikhuluma ngegame yabo namhlanje ngikhuluma ngomfuking I'm talking about this boy Mfuking Evident Mahupa the less I say about him better much better from this boy talent butter also Kabelo Dlamini was not in the game certain players Otto not on the game as well making so many mistakes so what you expect so Pirates had so many ball possession but I think the Pirates could have stayed
The mistakes as Junior Sensonghot.
among us right yazi ithi ngibe kanjani he's an experienced player mfethu I need to respect the guy but I don't think this guy had a proper development for me
Yo.
Uotto udlala nge-natural talent for me and which is take nothing away from Uotto has achieved but as a footballer you need to be gifted in order for you to play this game ngiyamhlonipha Uotto but for me I think he lacks some basic with football for me ngoba there's decision that he make mawuthi uyabheka I mean nomntana ngikhuluma ngentwana zase school mawungazilanda they can do better in terms of decision making about first touch yeah in njengalezo even protecting the ball pushing the ball yeah Otto technical is very good hardworking disciplined dedicated he's a leader but sometimes makumele ahlale ebhenchini kumele ahlale going to the game fethu just simple Pirates had so many ball possession bebadlala ngo-talent butter as one holding 6 namhlanje 2 number 10 which is I can say 2 number 10 or 2-8 which is Ukabelo Dlamini and also Mfuking yabona ma uyiplaya mfethu if you play most of the time ku-position one ngikhuluma ngesizini yonke lo mfana Mfuking I think today to play number 10 imconfusile i-position yakhe for me the boy mangibheka if we attacker mangabe we attack you can play on the left and then right or even number 10 or 8 ma we attack I believe mina if you attack you can play anywhere going forward but now the boy career mangibheka ngikhuluma ngebhethu ye-premiership he started on the left hand side he's been doing well on the left hand side so now I think he's comfortable he's more dangerous there and now uyazithola lapha but now all of the sudden the coach towards the season yophela and then umdlaliso number 10 remember Shane the league is a marathon ileague akusiyi ukuthi uzodlala ama game ayi-3 and then it's over so today lo mfana lo I think Tinka game plan yakhe spanile one he man mark the boy I think ukuthatha uMahlangu ukuthi can you deal with the boy and for sure Mahlangu is got speed very quick it can recover and udile naye very simple for me yes mangithi simple ngichaza ukuthi there was no many fouls Mahlangu I never saw him bambhuka but udile nomfana very well So, and well done to Uchinga by the game plan because first half Pirates dominated it. So many ball possession, but without hitting. How many chances in Kulmanga clear chances? Ile ball ale cross the mfana mfukenga kati in while pass Ushandu coming from the blind side. But Ushandu match fitness. Lela bola lela because all trap ngama stats. And then if you're confident, he was playing regularly. So coach nje ungisurprise ukuthi avela lahlela Ushandu ngikhuluma ngawe ngikhuluma ngegame namhlanje. I think him expose it to bring Shandu ku Van last week. Now leyo nto lezo kushaya kuzothiwa lo mfana ke perform. When did he last play his igame yakhe ngisho ukuthi adlale nje like
I think this season, Usebonga Ndlozi had more minutes than Ushandu this season. So ndiyavumelana nokulindawo usithi bona it shocked you uba kuqala Ushandu ahead of Ndlozi because Ndlozi played more games than Ushandu this season.
yeah, it's shocking even negame yanamhlanje. I mean, coach you such as marathon league. Remember today before the game, the league was still open. Yeah,
It was open, Junior. It
yeah,
was
they,
open
no,
before.
true.
Yeah,
True.
it
No,
was
no, no.
open.
Now, I mean, as much as I said Sundowns will win, but the league was still open because anything could happen to Sundowns. Nkhuluma ngale magame asele. Phela those are games that are still to be played. Abakabadlali. So Pirates, I think they are themselves to be blamed. They lost. Jose Rivero, mina the reasoning ne jive now. The guy has done well for Orlando Pirates. Won trophies, took out the best out of players. Udlala ngentwana. Pirates look exciting, and he took out the best out of these kids. He lost crucial games. Yabona into emshaya kakhulu. Uluza amagame engamelanga uluza.
Le game namhlanje Junior, it reminds me of le game sasibukela lapha sonke igame eStellenbosch.
Yeah.
Remember the game?
Yeah.
How Orlando Pirates played namhlanje. This is exactly the same way they played against Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch had
Right,
less than
Orlando.
30 or even less than 40% in
Orlando.
full position, but one chance by Faga at the back of the net. So these crucial games that Jose Rivero lost this season, Zizo Ezim Coste League this season.
One, you keep on playing this guy who evident Mahupa. When you are a central striker, I don't understand. I mean, I don't care who says what anyway. This guy, he must be charged by scoring goals. He's a central striker. You understand? If you can't receive the ball, you can't do basic football. If you don't have a football understanding, and then why playing for Pirates? I mean, this guy was the weakest link for Alan Pirates. I mean, central there, they couldn't find him. He goes there.
Basamfumana njani Junior because when they find Mkangela in the box,
Tactical is very poor. Very poor. They're out tactical. I think the coach gave him the instruction that you can run wherever as long as you'll bulldoze and chase. Bangal Susi Pola, very simple. Those people, I can be so happy. But now I'm shy to coach that thing because the guy works so hard without the ball. But Bagapeti Pola, he give you zero. So now I think those players that Mfuking, Kabelo Dlamini, for me, I think this boy in Kota tried today in today's game. The boy, I think, he played better, energetic, very dynamic, always create a chance. Every time he got the ball, you could see something can happen. Not all the Pirates eliminate players. He play 1-2 behind defense. Yeah, Luamfana way get dangerous. But on another side, Otto making wrong decisions. As Jobangisho, like. I understand why. I'm not too sure what it's a fatigue or what, but Otto has always been like this. Very energetic, but decision making wrong to Otto. And Lomfana Lonjobangisho Umfuking today never gave Lento Minem Masnga. Very good player, very talented, not just good, exceptional. But today game, I think, was not his game. Also, I think Spisi. Bebadlala nga 4 and it was dangerous Orlando Pirates. I think badlala nga 4 but seeing this boy Ushandu going forward badlala as the side like lonke leli and then this guy Unkota must come in. I think it's dangerous because Keletso, the game plan of the coach Uchingla, Keletso Mahalo. I think this boy Ramala on the right hand side playing with the left foot, not much from first half. I think Uchinga change has kept any shape. Nkuluma Mkize and Tabang Mnare, they keep the shape in the middle field. And on the right hand side, this guy Ramala, not much. He was just concerned to Nalum Fanumfuki because he cited ball 7 time. Most Pirates are taking the side left. I think the boy Bamchelu would sit. Keleso, once this boy Ushando go, you go straight. And for sure, first half. When the show Gucci or commit to space. Spanish City pace yakhe lo yamfana Spisi committed a yellow card. Very dangerous kuba zange ayenze le yellow card abambhola ngesandla it was lo mfana bekayokora or mhlambe late to somebody score. So now iPirates beyiba seyiba eliminated at the back uthola ukuthi it's 2v2. You understand? Now uya stress ngikhuluma nga two center back ba stretcher. Lo mfana umbokazi naye uyaka left on side and then this guy uSpisi uza ngapha uMakokeletso and uKeletso got speed. So yellow card under pressure uSpisi coach keep on wamdlalisa second half another yellow card it was a red card. Well done to the boy. I think he's the man of the match, he deserve it. Always kuma big games the boy we are show up ukuthi he play ama big games. He's got a big heart. He has improved for me uKeletso decision making. Mina uKeletso nyama Sundowns he was a speedy player. Promising but ingqondo yakhe man ngikhuluma nge decision making bila bengishaya khona but he's improved maturity to the boy. Well done to him. So I think today
like also checking his stats zakhe this season he has about 11 assists. Meaning that assist umfana this season.
Yeah, na second half I think on the left hand side tunka problem kakhulu and nina besenchase the game remember and well done to the coach uThinka ngikhuluma nga second half for responding because the team yakhe first half flat footed they gave nothing in the middle field to Mkhize and Mnare just to stop Orlando Pirates, not even have my intention to play forward passes, not even adding the number to try and help this guy Keletso. Second half, so many numbers. On the Uyuzi, Eyuzi, I think it was more of Nigeria. Lomfano evident. A coach first half told him to drop and come and defend. Nothing that he has offered.
With more numbers when I junior because you could see from the first minute they were not there to play. They were just there to manage the game, making sure they go home with a point.
Yes.
So 3 points was a bonus for them.
Yeah.
Which you saw Uguti after they scored. That's when they started Udlali Ball. That's when they just started committing numbers forward.
You are right, Mauti. They had shot on target, but the goalkeeper, I mean, a second play mangale corner kick. Where are you going?
I feel if there's one reason for me personally when I junior, Ronan Williams is the best goalkeeper I've ever seen in this country. Ne? But Itumeleng Khune, when it comes to dealing with those balls, Itumeleng Khune if Upumile, that's his ball. He's never made a mistake there, junior.
Yeah.
So Uchene, Upuma kwakhe I thought ukuthi uzabuya nayo but.
I think Chibwebe, well done for taking Ebola. But China nezandla mfethu. Mawuphumile make sure you just just quick feet. Quick feet ke reactor quick. Mangabe uphumile just make sure you gonna win the ball. So mawuphuma ipoipal vele izosala empty. These guys they bazoma first pole and last pole but abasebenzisa izandla. So I think Chibwebe ngoka take Ebola well done. I think they were solid. Ngikhuluma ngayo Caruso Chibwebe, ngikhuluma two center back. Yes Kokune. The game plan ngathinka njoba ngisho man. A 4-4-2 sort of formation. Second half introducing Umtambo, I think that's where everything changed. Now he started to help playing as a second striker and then no problem. And now Ewize, William Tambo, add more numbers, and also this guy Keletso. So Pirates, I think Ulabe say they were challenged. Ulang when defense bona as I told you the second yellow card. It's because of the pressure that this Kukuni was playing. Well done to Tinka because he can read the game. In terms shout Jose Rivera to read the game. For me, I think HIV yake. Njoba ngisho ngithi lose ama game ngamelanga lose. HIV mchita is to read the game. I think this is in yonke into emshayile ukuread ama game. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Junior, for your analysis. Former Maritzburg United midfielder, former Kaizer Chiefs star midfielder. They know him if you feel. They know him. Usakhumula usashaya iblonde Junior. Usakhumula kwenye derby la ushaya iblonde ungena ushaya ichepisi ntwana.
Okay, ngicela okay. Ngicela ukuphendula. Yazwa ukhuluma so. Angithi iPirates idliwe. Yazwa uringa so. Pirates lost.
Team of choice, Junior.
Pirates, mina ngiya understand why uringa so. You had so high hopes. Pirates lost.
The Pirates idliwe, Junior. But for you are a former Maritzburg United midfielder. You are a former Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, it's true. No. Akusijoke lento ikhuluma akusijoke.
It's true. It's true.
And nami ngithi you are a big supporter of Orlando Pirates. Or wrong mangithi you are a big fan of Orlando Pirates.
Thank you so much, Junior, for your analysis. It's Sekhukhune United 1, Orlando Stadium. It's Orlando Pirates 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.